Hey everyone, welcome to my lash tint and lift video. I'm going to be trying for the very first time tinting and lifting my lashes using this gifted Livia Cosmetics Lash Lift Kit, which I received kindly from them. I'm super excited because I've never tinted, lifted, or had any semi-permanent extensions or permanent extensions done on my lashes before. I've only used curlers, heated curlers, and false lashes. So this is going to be the very first time that I'm using a kit such as this, and I'm going to record it on camera so you can see what's inside this kit, and let's have some fun. I like how the box said dream big and shine bright with your new lashes. It also came with an eyebrow and lash tint kit and its own lash cleanser and lash serum. I also like how their lash serum bottle was a rose gold color. Okay, so these are the instructions. It's basically going to show me how to do the whole process. To prep, start by removing all makeup or residue before the treatment. I'm going to use the lash cleanser and the cotton swab to cleanse my lashes. So I'm basically taking off the makeup around my eye. Okay, so it looks like all the makeup is off on the top of my eye. It says apply the silicone pad and choose the intensity that you want. So this little box here is the lash pads, and on the back it shows the intensities of the strength of the curl. It's also going to be in the directions here. So these are the lift pads. See, they have numbers on them. One side there's an adhesive so you can adhese them to your eyelids. Okay, what's next? Basically, I'm going to remove the adhesive and then attach it to the top of my eyelid here. Trim the outer edge of the lash pad to fit your eye. All right, let's do this. I have a tool like this, so I'm going to use that just to see if these are too long, which they are. Can I get away with not cutting them? I think I'm gonna have to cut them just because they are too long. So I'm just gonna measure to estimate where to cut. So I'm gonna cut off a little bit from the front, and I'm gonna cut off the same amount from the other side. Sometimes I have to do this with false lashes, but I'm generally too lazy, so I just glue them on how they are and pray for the best. Okay, so I'm gonna take the adhesive off, and now I'm gonna stick it on my eyelid, making sure to not cover any of my lashes. Okay, so I'm gonna try to keep this sticking on firmly for about 30 seconds to ensure it sticks perfectly. Doing that now. It's not sticking on the edges. I wonder if it's too long. Where are my eyebrow hair cutters? Oh my god. Look at this. I think they need to be trimmed like a little bit, but it's hard to tell. What do you guys think? I feel like that's the length. This part isn't sticking as good as I'd hoped. So I just cut some on this part of my eye here just to make it shorter because I think it might have been too long. This is plastic. Okay, so I'm gonna do the other side. So I am definitely gonna make this a lot shorter. Dang, I need to measure my eyelids. Okay, so I'm gonna just cut a little bit more because I'm thinking that might be the reason why the other side didn't stay on the edges as strong. It also could be like maybe I wasn't strong enough in taking my eye makeup off. But I'm gonna press this down and then I'm gonna start the other eye. I have never done this before. I've never even seen this done. Like, I've never gone to any lash boutique type of place. I just wear falsies or use mascara with a heated lash curler. So I can't wait to see how this comes out. Okay, so I'm gonna use this tool again to get the adhesive off. I am doing this with one eye closed. The only thing about cutting them is it like cuts that little strip that helps you like pull the adhesive off. Okay, here we go. So I'm gonna remove that plastic, and now I'm gonna try to attach this on my left eye. Do you guys ever have like one lash that grows above your lash line that's just like awkwardly there? Yeah, I have one of those. Okay, so this feels really strong. 30 more seconds. The corners do have a little bit of hard time sticking, but that's as good as it's gonna get for now. So I need to apply glue. And then after, I'm going to be using this lash glow. I just looked at myself. This lash comb in the Lash Lift Kit. So let's take a look at it. You can see that top of that plastic piece is a very tiny comb and the other edge is just straight. And there's a bunch of different types of applicators in here. On the photo, it looks like they're using the tiny one for stubborn lashes. This is the glue. I'm gonna apply it on top of the pad and then wait about 20 seconds, they said. I'm not even using the comb, to be honest. I'm using the straight part and have it upside down, and I'm pressing from the bottom up. The only thing is, like, the edges are not as sticking. So let me try another layer. Helping somewhat. So this is without and this is with. I do have a few lashes that are not sticking, so I'm gonna do what they said and use this. Definitely give yourself time to do this because it might take longer than you expect. This definitely is a process. Okay, so I think this side is done. I finished it off using this small Q-tip. It's super tiny to like perfect this side. So you can see the difference. So I'm lifting the lashes with the straight part. Yeah, I definitely like the straight part better. It's just easier for me. Okay, so I think I have got them both completely lifted. I'm just gonna wait 12 to 15 minutes just in case. And it says to remove the lotion with a cotton swab. Okay, so essentially the glue is still on, but I've just wiped off the perm lotion with a cotton swab. This is lotion number 2. It is the Fix lotion. This is coming out blue. I've applied the Fix lotion number 2. It says to wait at least 10 to 12 minutes, but it's now 7:40. I'm gonna take this off. So this is the Livia Tint Kit box. And the first box that I was going off was the Lash Lift Kit. You can tint your lashes and your brows. The color that they gave me was black. So I'm just gonna do my lashes because I think black will be too dark for my brows. Probably a light brown would be good for my eyebrows. This is the kit. So we have the eyebrow and eyelash tint in the color black. And then we have the oxidant gel. And then we have this spoon. We have a comb. Okay, so this is a glove. This to shape your eyebrows. These look like under eye pads. It basically says I have to mix the tint and antioxidant gel half and half in this little bowl. So we're just mixing. It's like one piece, but it's double-sided. And I think we have to leave this on for 20 minutes. Okay guys, so I actually just ended up taking them off before coming back on camera. I have about 5 minutes out of 20 left. My eyes were watering because I think I stuck those pads like on the bottom of my eyes super high and I thought it's probably time anyways. So this is where we are at. This side still has like remnants of the tint. And honestly, I don't think you need that much tint to mix. So this is a very natural curl for my lashes. I'll try to put a screenshot of that before here. Yeah, so there's 5 different levels of curls here and I did the second to last. Okay, close up. Can you guys see? I'm sorry, I don't have a macro lens on now to like zoom in and I'm like on full zoom on the Sony ZV-1F. I honestly didn't know what to expect. I thought they were gonna look less natural. Like I thought the tint was gonna look like kind of like I'm wearing falsies. Like I've said, I've never seen a professional to do any sort of lash process on my eyes. It feels like the tint was the strongest in the middle. I can Oh my god, I can feel my lashes. I can feel my lashes touching my top lid. Like, I've never felt that before. So the curling worked. The curling worked. That's crazy. I can legit feel my lashes. I wanted to do some mascara right now, but I'm gonna have to wait 24 hours. So I waited 2 days before showing you guys the after of the lashes. My lashes typically never look like this on their own, so the permanent lash curler did curl them. So now I'm going to apply my favorite e.l.f. mascara to show you the complete final look. Okay, so this is the eye with full mascara on top and bottom lashes using the e.l.f. mascara. So it is a little bit clumpy because I was trying to use the viewfinder to apply my mascara. And then this is the other eye with no mascara on. I wanted to show you the difference between the two side by side, but now I'm applying mascara on both lashes, and this is the final look on both eyes. I think it looks stunning. I think the curl is stunning. The mascara really lengthened and lifted my lashes in combination with the Livia Lash Lift Kit, and at this point I'm pretty much in love with my eyelashes. And again, thank you, Livia, for sending this to me so graciously. I really appreciate you allowing me to try this. If you have any other questions about this, let me know. Bye! So yes, don't forget to comment below, like, and subscribe to my channel for more beauty content like this, hair, lifestyle, UGC, and all the works. And as always, thanks for watching and supporting. Talk to you later!